Hello, this is Alan with Portalar Floors. Today we're going to go over how to put your SPC in around door jambs, underneath, say, fireplaces, something like that, where it needs to get close and you want it to have a perfect fit. So what we're going to do is go down to the SPC here. You're going to break a piece of SPC off or cut it or whatever you want, where you're going to want to put it underneath. So we're going to actually want this to go underneath here. So we have a perfect and flush surface, so you're not going to see a seam anywhere. So, if you don't cut it correctly, you're going to have this little seam here, you're going to caulk it, it's going to look bad. If you want to do this the correct way, what you're going to do is you're going to take a multi-tool or a crane tool. Usually people can get the multi-tool pretty easy, they sell them pretty much everywhere. You're going to put your tool on there, it's going to have the blades here. You're going to put your flooring down, that's going to give us the exact height of the flooring. Then you're going to use your tool, I don't have the tool with me, but this is the blade of the tool. You're going to put it down and it's going to go zzz and cut all this around here. So you're going to move this around and go around and cut all around right here. And that's going to give it the perfect height. So you're going to cut all that, then you're going to take a chisel and chisel it off, and then you're going to have a gap right here. And with that gap, then you can put this right underneath there, and you're going to have no gap from here to the floor. The floor is actually going to be underneath the door jamb. So once again, you just take your tool and your piece of flooring. You're going to take a little small piece because it's going to mar it up. Put it next to the door jamb, cut right here, then move your piece, cut right here, move your piece, and cut from right here, and cut from right here. Now for the baseboards, you're just going to take the baseboards off. It's the most ideal situation, then put them back on. So that's how we're going to use our multi-tool and make the flooring go underneath the door jambs. You can do that for pretty much anything. Rock, stone, whatever you want to do. Break it out, put it underneath there. You don't have to scribe it. It's going to be the perfect fit. You're going to have no expansion joints or anything weird looking or have to use caulking.